I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. My journey continues to the Ha family to learn about the balance of flavors in authentic South Korean dishes.
Hi, my name is Christina from South Korea. We had a little Sunday ritual where my grandma would prepare Sunday brunch. That's just a special memory that we had that just brought me so much joy.
What are we making today, Christina? And who are we cooking for? Who's coming over?
Today we have a couple of friends coming over.
Okay.
My boyfriend's friends and then another friend that I met recently.
A borderline stranger.
Friend.
We're trying to win her over.
Yes. With this very special dish.
Okay.
We're using this turkey. I'm gonna use drumsticks.
Okay.
And we're making this into spicy turkey stew. So in Korean, it's called turkey-bokkeum-tang. This spicy turkey stew is going to be so hearty. We're first gonna brown these drumsticks.
So we'll sear off the drumsticks first.
Sear them. So it's not too complicated. It'll be fun.
Searing off the turkey. We're gonna get good color on it.
Yes. So pour in some avocado oil. Put the turkeys in now.
Oh, yeah.
We have the pan. Whoa, I love that sizzling sound. Music to my ears.
That's really what we want, right? Great sear, and you're gonna get it on all sides.
Right, that's important to get it evenly browning. So we're gonna keep on turning it. I'm gonna salt and pepper it.
Okay.
We have this smell of
Smells
meat
amazing
cooking.
already.
It smells so good.
And this is a step that we don't want to rush. We really want good color on every side.
Yes, when we have the crispy skin on the outside, it really enhances the flavor. I think it's time for us to
Okay, let's
turn
take a look.
inside. I think that's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah.
While I brown these turkey drumsticks, could you chop the onion and carrots?
Okay. I'm happy to be a part of the team.
Thank you. I'm relying on you. It's not delicate. You don't have to have the perfect flavor balance.
When is the best time to enjoy it?
At family gatherings, when you have friends over. I have a big family, and we often had like huge family dinners. Having friends over to share this, I'm recreating those memories. I think we're almost done browning. It looks like the drumsticks are ready to be taken
Great
out,
color.
and we can start the veggies.
How'd I do on my veggies?
You did really well. We are just sweating these vegetables here. We're gonna soften them out, and we can go to the sauce now.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's start with some soy sauce.
Okay, will give us the umami, the natural saltiness, right?
The basis of a lot of Asian cuisine.
Sure.
And then the sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Yeah.
Nuttiness.
Lots of garlic.
I like lots of garlic.
Yes. And gochujang.
The gochujang.
Chili paste. Gochujang, you said it perfectly.
Really?
Gochujang, yes. So
Can I
we're
try
gonna...
this before you put it in?
Yeah, of course.
Wow. It's got kick.
Yes.
There's depth to the
There is
kick.
depth. We're gonna put a heaping amount of gochujang in there. What's your tolerance?
We'll find out.
Okay.
I might start hiccuping.
Okay.
I can see what you mean now when you say that the turkey's gonna get a beautiful bright color.
And we're also gonna add in chili powder to it. More vibrant.
heat.
More, yes. And coconut sugar instead of white sugar. Tiny bit of ginger. And then a whole cup of water. Because it's a stew. And then we're gonna mix in all of that. And if you want, we can add in a little bit more sugar to make it a little bit more sweet.
I think it's good. It's not too spicy. I can see how it's really balanced. It's really good.
So let's go back into the pan.
Okay.
So the veggies have softened nicely.
Okay, so add back the turkey.
Yes.
And you don't want all the sauce back.
We're putting maybe about 70%.
Back to grade 8 math. 70%.
We want to continue turning the turkey when cooking Korean food. You want to evenly coat the main ingredient with the sauce. My mouth is watering talking about it now.
Yeah, totally. It's already a vibrant red.
Yes.
It looks beautiful.
Once you see like the bubbles come up, put it down on low heat. When you see that the sauce is pretty thick, now is the time for potato. Pour the rest of the sauce in.
So that goes in. I actually like that you reserved some for the potatoes. Needs liquid.
We're gonna keep on cooking on low, medium heat, I'd say, and close the lid because we want it to steam up and fully cook the potatoes. With the lid on, we can let the potatoes cook for about 12 to 15 minutes.
You want the turkey to have an internal temp of 165.
Yes, so that it's fully cooked.
So that's almost done.
Yes.
In the meantime, we have some garnish.
We have green onions.
Can I chop this for you?
And of course, yeah. We're gonna do like big chunks.
Like this?
Yeah.
That's good. Lots of green onion in Korean cooking.
Green onion is a very important ingredient.
You sure these chilies won't put me over the edge?
We'll see. Potatoes looks really good.
Looks great. Do you have any water?
Sorry?
Nothing.
So the potatoes are nice and soft now. They're ready to be garnished.
Can I throw in the green onion, the chilies?
Yes, you can put all of that in. Yeah, as
look at the
nice
color.
garnish. So the spicy turkey stew is ready to be
Dinner's
served.
ready.
It's ready.
Let's plate it up.
Okay, the spicy turkey stew.
Wow. It's amazing.
Just heard your stomach. Oh, yeah, get a bigger plate. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Christina, I want to thank you for inviting me over, for teaching me all these dishes. It's been amazing. Thank you so much, Christina.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.